this coffee grinder range, we proudly fulfill our aspiration to design a complete high-level retail line. Performance is guaranteed at the highest level, and more importantly, oriented to the most diverse consumers. From a coffee shop to a self-service corner in a supermarket, retail coffee sales, or even laboratory testing.
Their high grinding capacity allows you to grind without interruptions for hours, even days. The exclusive design is friendly, charismatic, recognizable, and above all, strong. Once again, aluminum joins all the merits of our product. The frontal dial is the highest exponent of its functionality, user-friendly and precise. Choose your grinding point from the 9 icons with a simple turn of the wrist. Powerful motor and high-performance steel burrs guarantee the consistency necessary for high productions. The grind is uniform and maintains the freshness of the coffee. The calibration and burr change are made easy with access to the inside of the grinder. Very simple and without the need for technical service. A couple of turns and click. You've done it.
Pour your coffee beans in the Macrolon hopper. Its design is the window that we open for you to enjoy the process. You'll grind like you've always wanted to.